Hello guys, today we are going to do check your progress 30.8, which is the chapter of integration. So let us move to the first question, which is integral 4x square minus 5. Okay, so let us write this as of the form 4x square minus 5 is equal to integral root of 2x squared minus root 5 squared. This is similar to integral root of x square minus a square. So let us know recall what is integral x square minus a square. This is equal to x square by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So this is the formula which we need to by heart. Okay, so let us write our question again. Integral 2x squared minus root 5 squared. This is equal to 2x squared by 2 into root of 2x square minus root 5 squared minus root 5 squared by 2 log mod 2x plus root of 2x squared minus root 5 squared plus c. Now let us make some changes to this. So we can write this as 4x squared by 2 root of 4x squared minus 5 minus 5 by 2 log mod 2x plus root of 4x squared minus 5 plus c. Here we can cancel this, which gives us 2x squared root of 4x squared minus 5 minus 5 by 2 log mod 2x plus root of 4x squared minus 5 plus c. So this is the answer of the first question. Let us move to the B part. Integral root of x squared plus 3x. This is the question. Integral root of x square plus 3x. So we can write this as integral x squared plus 3x. This is equal to integral x squared plus 3x. So the half of 3 is 3 by 2. So we can write this as 3x plus 3 by 2 squared minus 3 by 2 squared. So there won't be any difference. This is equal to integral root of x square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 squared. Let us keep this in a bracket, and the another one is 9 by 4. So this is equal to integral root of x plus 3 by 2 squared minus 3 by 2 squared. Now let us recall what kind of problem is this. This is of the form of integral root of x square minus a squared. So we have done this in the previous problem. Here we can see that we need to follow this function, this formula for this problem too. So we can write this as x square by 2, which will be x plus 3 by 2 squared by 2 into root of x square minus a square, which is this one, x plus 3 by 2 squared minus 3 by 2 squared minus a square by 2. The a square by 2 will be this one. So 3 by 2 squared by 2 log mod x is this, x plus 3 by 2 plus root of x plus 3 by 2 squared minus 3 by 2 squared plus c. So this is the final answer. Let us move to the C question, which is root of 3 minus 2x minus 2x squared dx. Okay, so first of all, let us take minus 2 outside. So if we take minus 2 outside, we get minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus plus x plus x squared. This is equal to root of minus 2 into x squared plus x minus 3 by 2. Sorry, let us do it again, which is 3 minus 2x minus 2x squared dx. Okay, first we'll take 3 integral root of 3 minus 2x squared plus 2x. Okay, now we'll take 2 outside. This gives us integral root of 3 minus 2 into x squared plus x. Now we can use the formula which gives us here 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 outside. Minus 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, so we need to add a 1 by 2 outside. So this is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2, minus 2 into x square plus x plus 1 by 4, which is x plus 1 by 2 squared. Okay, so we get we'll multiply both sides by 4 and 4. This gives us, if we put this 4 inside the root, we get 1 by 2. So if we multiply 1 by 2 here, we get 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 here will, so the 2 will get cancelled, which gives us x plus 1 by 2 squared into 4. So we can take this 4 outside. So the final equation which we get is 4 integral root 5 by 4 minus x plus 1 by 2 squared. Okay, now if we make this also in the form of square, which we get 5 root 5 by 2. So root 5 by 2 squared minus x plus 1 by 2 squared. So this is the final equation which we get. Now we will apply the formula. This is of the form of integral root of integral root of a square minus x squared. This is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x squared plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the formula which we need to by heart for the exams. So we need to apply this for this thing here, which we get 4 into x square by 2. X square by 2 will, no, it is only x by 2, there is no any other x. So x plus 1 by 2 root of 5 by 4 minus x plus 1 by 2 squared plus a square, which is 5 by 4 by 2, which is 5 by 8 sine inverse of x by a, which is x plus 1 by 2 by a, which is root 5 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer which we get for this problem. Let us move to the D question. Sorry guys, there is no D question. We will move to the second question. Second question, part A. integral x plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. So this is a form of integral by parts. So we'll write this as integral x plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. So if we multiply both the sides by this thing, we get x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 a plus x minus 2 b. Now if we solve this, we get if we put x is equal to 3, we get 4 is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1b. So b is equal to 4. And if we put x is equal to 2, we get 3 is equal to 2 minus 3, which is minus 1 minus a plus 0. So implies a is equal to minus 3. So if we write the problem again, we get integral x plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to integral minus 3 by x minus 2 plus integral 4 by x minus 3 plus c. So the final answer which we get is minus 3 log mod x minus 2 plus 4 log mod x minus 3 plus c. So this is the final answer. Let us move to the b question. Integral x by x square minus 16 dx. So we can write this as integral x by x minus 4 into x plus 4 is equal to a by x minus 4 plus b by x plus 4. Now if we multiply both sides by x minus 4 into x plus 4, we get x is equal to x plus 4 into a plus x minus 4 into b. Now if we put x is equal to 4, we get 4 is equal to 8a plus 0. So a is equal to 1 by 2. And if we put x is equal to minus 4, we get minus 4 is equal to minus 8b, which means b is also equal to 1 by 2. Now if you rewrite the problem, we get integral a by x minus 4, which is integral 1 by 2 by x minus 4 plus integral 1 by 2 by x plus 4. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, so we can write it outside. This also outside. So the final answer is 1 by 2 log mod x minus 4 plus 1 by 2 log mod x plus 4. So we can put this in bracket. So this is the final answer. Let us move to the third question. Third question, part A, integral x square by x square minus 4 dx. So in this problem, so we can write this as integral x square by x square minus 4 dx is equal to a by x minus 4 plus integral b by x plus 4. Now if you multiply both sides by x square minus 4, we get x square is equal to x plus 4 a plus x minus 4 b. Now if you put x is equal to 4, we get 16 is equal to 8a, which means a is equal to 2, and x is equal to minus 4, we get 16 is equal to minus 8a, which means 8b, which means b is equal to minus 2. So we have got two values. Now if we write the problem, we get 2 by x minus 4 plus minus 2 by x plus 4. This is equal to 2 log x minus 4 minus 2 log x plus 4. So this is the final answer. Now let us move to the B question, which is integral 2x squared plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 squared x minus 2 x plus 2 dx.